Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my horchata de chocolate. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so here I have 4 cups of boiling hot water. To that we're going to add 1.5 cups of white rice and 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to give it a quick mix. Cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to soak overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once we have our soaked rice, now we can get ready to make our horchata. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our soaked rice into our blender cup. And we're going to be blending at high speed for 2 minutes. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to strain it. Okay, so I'm going to be using a piece of cheesecloth over my strainer. So like that we make sure that our horchata is not grainy. Okay, and once we have that, we're going to transfer it back to our blender cup. And to that, we're going to be adding our 1 cup of Abuelita chocolate, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and 2 cups of milk. Now we're going to be blending again until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, now we can get ready to transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, and again, I'm going to be using a piece of cheesecloth to strain my horchata. You want it to be as smooth as possible. Okay, so once we have that, now we're going to add our 4 cups of ice cold water. Give it a good mix. And here you're going to taste it and see if you want it more sweeter or if it's too sweet, you're going to add more water. Let me tell you that for me, this is always perfect. And I like to add the ice once I'm ready to serve, so like that I don't dilute it, before serving. But just like that, we have our delicious horchata de chocolate. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so refreshing. I promise you, you're going to love and enjoy. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Oh, so good. Seriously, the best. I love horchatas. This one is definitely one of my favorites. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious horchata de chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.